So the second part of a figurative watercolor I brought. Hi friends, I am Moshumi Pal Mojumdar from Bharat. In today's video I have shown here part of this full figurative watercolor. My color palette contains viridian green or hue, cobalt blue, French ultramarine blue, Prussian blue, vermilion hue or red, gamboge hue or yellow, crimson red. I am not using black and burnt sienna for dark tone. If you still have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe, like and share, and please comment. Your comments are very motivational for growing my channel. Follow me on Instagram, I also upload reels there. So friends, this is an end. In next video, I will bring next part of this tutorial. Stay well. Bye.